Over 60 drink these 3 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Have your legs been feeling weak lately, like they just don't carry you the way they used to? Maybe you've been getting tired faster or struggling to stay steady on your feet. You're not alone, and it's not just aging. In fact, new research shows that certain natural teas can actually help rebuild leg strength, improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and even give your energy levels a serious boost without relying on pills or painful exercises. And here's the best part. They're simple, safe, and backed by science. One long-term study in Japan, for example, followed thousands of older adults and found that those who regularly drank green tea were far more likely to maintain muscle, strength, and balance as they aged. It's also something you'll see in real life, like legendary Japanese sprinter Hidekichi Miyazaki, who credited his daily cup of green tea as one of the habits that helped him keep running even past the age of 100. In this video, we're revealing the top 3 best teas for seniors to boost leg strength and energy, each carefully chosen and fact-checked by a team of health researchers, so you can trust the information you're getting. And if you stick with me to the very end, I'll also share one surprising tea ingredient you've probably never heard of, but it's been shown to supercharge circulation and fight muscle fatigue in older adults. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. 1. Ginger turmeric tea. A warm, soothing cup of ginger turmeric tea. This simple drink can be a true game changer for older adults who want stronger legs and a natural boost of energy. If you've noticed your legs feeling heavy when you walk or you get tired by the time you reach the top of the stairs, this tea might quickly become one of your favorite daily habits. Here's why it works so well. Ginger and turmeric are 2 of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory roots. When you combine them, they don't just give your tea a comforting flavor, they actively work to ease the inflammation that leads to sore joints, stiffness, and muscle fatigue for many seniors. It's not just weak muscles holding them back. It's also the aching and swelling that come after even light activity. Ginger turmeric tea goes right to the source of that problem, but it doesn't stop there. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols, which studies show help improve blood circulation. Think of your legs like hard-working machines. They need a steady supply of oxygen-rich blood to stay strong and rebuild after daily wear and tear. When circulation slows down, muscles don't get the nutrients they need, and that's when fatigue or unsteadiness creeps in. Drinking ginger tea regularly can gently boost blood flow, helping your legs feel more alive and making each step more confident. Now let's talk about turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, famous for its ability to fight inflammation, protect muscles from breaking down, and even support recovery after activity. If your knees pop when you stand or you feel sore after a short walk, curcumin can help calm all that down. When inflammation is reduced, your muscles can finally do their job, stabilize your body, support you, and power your every move. Here's something most people don't realize. This tea doesn't just help your legs, it also provides a gentle energy boost. It's not like coffee that can make you jittery. Instead, ginger naturally supports your metabolism, helping your body turn food into usable energy more efficiently. Instead of feeling sluggish after lunch or needing a nap in the afternoon, you might notice you feel more alert and motivated, maybe even ready for that short walk or simple leg stretches you've been meaning to do. Easy to prepare at home. All you need are a few slices of fresh ginger root, a teaspoon of ground turmeric or fresh turmeric if you can find it, and hot water. Let it steep for 10 minutes, add a pinch of black pepper. This helps your body absorb curcumin better, and sweeten with a little honey or a squeeze of lemon if you like. That's it. You've just made a simple, healing tea that supports your legs, energy, and overall well-being. Some people notice benefits in just a few days, while others it may take a couple of weeks. But consistency is key. 1 cup a day, especially in the morning, can do wonders for how your legs feel and how much energy you have throughout the day. Real-life example. In traditional Indian households, turmeric and ginger tea has been used for generations to keep joints flexible and ease everyday aches. Even modern athletes like NBA player Stephen Curry have talked about using turmeric as part of their recovery routine. While you don't need to train like a pro athlete, adding a cup of this tea to your daily life can give your muscles and joints the same kind of gentle support. So if you're serious about strengthening your legs, reducing pain, and adding a natural lift to your energy levels, ginger turmeric tea is one of the easiest and most enjoyable places to start. 2. Ginseng green tea. Now let's move on to something truly revitalizing, ginseng green tea. If you've been feeling drained lately, like your legs give out halfway through the day or you just can't find that spark to keep moving, this tea could be exactly what your body's been asking for. Ginseng green tea acts like a gentle wake-up call to your entire system, muscles, brain, and yes, those tired legs. Here's what makes it so special. We're blending two powerful plants. First, green tea, loaded with antioxidants and natural energy boosters. Second, ginseng, a root used for centuries in traditional medicine to fight fatigue, build strength, and restore vitality. Why ginseng helps your legs so much? Ginseng is famous for something called adaptogenic power, meaning it helps your body handle stress. Aging, believe it or not, creates stress on muscles and joints every single day. Ginseng helps ease that internal stress, giving your body resilience so your legs don't feel like they're fighting against you every time you move. But there's more. Research shows ginseng can actually improve muscle performance and endurance. It helps your muscles use oxygen more efficiently, which translates to better stamina and less tiredness. Imagine walking around the house, climbing the stairs, or running errands without feeling wiped out after. That's the difference ginseng can make over time. The role of green tea. Pair that with green tea and you get even more benefits. Green tea is rich in catechins, antioxidants that fight free radicals in your muscles and joints. Why does that matter? Free radicals cause cellular damage over time, making your legs feel older than they really are. Regular green tea drinking supports your body's natural repair process, helping your muscles stay stronger and your joints feel more capable. And unlike coffee, which can spike and crash your energy, green tea gives a smooth, balanced lift thanks to L-theanine, an amino acid that calms while boosting alertness. Add ginseng tea, you've got a steady, long-lasting boost in both physical and mental energy. The mental boost matters. Here's something many people overlook. When you feel sharper and more energized mentally, you naturally want to move more. That motivation leads to using your legs more often, which gradually rebuilds their strength. In other words, ginseng green tea doesn't just fuel your body, it sparks the mindset that helps you stay active. How to make it at home. Boil a cup of water and let it cool slightly, so it's not scalding. Steep a green tea bag for 2-3 minutes, then add a few thin slices of ginseng root, or about 1/4 teaspoon of dried ginseng powder if that's what you have. Let it steep another 5 minutes. Add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon for flavor, if you like. That's it. You've just made a delicious, energizing cup of leg-friendly strength. Drink it daily for best results. It's not a quick fix. It's a gentle habit that works in the background, steadily improving your energy, balance, and mobility over time. Proof from real life and studies. Research from the American Journal of Chinese Medicine shows that older adults taking ginseng regularly experienced better lower body strength and less fatigue during daily activities. And it's not just research. Well-known figures like actor Jackie Chan, who's in his 70s, have mentioned ginseng tea as part of their wellness routines to stay active for physically demanding roles. If someone in their 70s can keep moving at that level, imagine the gentle boost he can give your everyday walks, stair climbs, or light exercises. So if you're tired of dragging your feet and want to feel sharper, more mobile, and more in control of your energy, ginseng green tea deserves a permanent spot in your routine. It's more than just a drink. It's a daily nudge toward a healthier, stronger version of you. 3. Ashwagandha root tea. Now let's talk about a very special tea that does more than just support your legs. It helps bring back balance, calm, and strength to your entire body. It's called ashwagandha root tea. If you've never tried it before, you might be in for a wonderful surprise. Ashwagandha is what we call an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body handle stress, fatigue, and age wear and tear. For older adults, that's incredibly important. As we age, muscles don't just weaken from lack of activity, they're also affected by chronic stress, poor sleep, and hormonal changes, especially hormones like cortisol and testosterone, which play a big role in energy and muscle tone. Imagine this for a moment. Picture waking up in the morning and instead of feeling stiff, tired, or anxious about the day ahead, you feel grounded and calm. You stretch your legs and they actually feel ready to move. You stand up and notice that heavy feeling in your legs is lighter. That's the kind of subtle, daily shift many people report after adding ashwagandha tea to their routine. How it works in your body. When we're stressed, whether it's from health concerns, financial worries, or even poor sleep, the body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Too much cortisol over time weakens muscles, increases belly fat, and drains energy. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, calming the nervous system and sending your body a clear message. You're safe. You can relax. You can rebuild. That shift alone helps your body prioritize healing and muscle restoration instead of constant breakdown. But that's not all. Several studies have shown that ashwagandha can increase muscle strength and endurance even in older adults. In one clinical trial, seniors who took ashwagandha daily saw measurable improvements in lower body strength, better balance, and increased stamina within just a few weeks. It's not magic, it's your body finally getting the support it needs to perform at its best. Support for nerves and sleep. Ashwagandha also supports nerve health, which is crucial for how your legs feel when you walk or stand. If you've ever felt shaky, unsteady, or like your legs aren't fully under your control, weak neuromuscular connections might be part of the problem. Ashwagandha helps strengthen those connections, improving coordination and responsiveness. And if you struggle with sleep, this tea really shines. Drinking it in the evening can help quiet your mind, reduce nighttime anxiety, and promote deeper, more restful sleep. Better sleep means better muscle recovery, because our muscles repair themselves while we rest. Without proper sleep, the body struggles to rebuild strength, no matter how good your diet is. How to prepare it. You can find ashwagandha root in dried pieces, powder, or even blended tea bags. For the purest benefits, the dried root works best. Use about 1 teaspoon, simmer it gently in water for 10-15 minutes, strain and drink it warm. Add cinnamon or honey if you prefer a sweeter flavor. Ashwagandha has a slightly earthy, nutty taste that pairs beautifully with warm spices. Some people drink it in the morning for all-day calm and steady energy, while others prefer it at night to relax and promote muscle recovery as they sleep. Either way, the secret is consistency, making it part of your daily ritual so your body gets steady support. Real-life inspiration. Holistic wellness experts, including celebrity nutritionist Dr. Frank Lipman, often recommend ashwagandha for older clients dealing with fatigue and stress. Many high-profile wellness advocates over 60, like actress Gwyneth Paltrow's wellness team, have popularized adaptogens like ashwagandha to promote balanced energy and better sleep. While they might use it for overall well-being, seniors can reap a unique benefit: improved leg strength, better balance, and calm energy that lasts through the day. So if you're looking for a way to feel steadier on your feet, less stressed in your heart, and more at peace in your day, ashwagandha root tea is an excellent place to start. It's not just about stronger muscles, it's about restoring physical, mental, and emotional balance. And that balance is the real foundation for lasting vitality at any age. So there you have it. 3 powerful, natural teas that can truly change how your legs feel and how much energy you have each day. Ginger turmeric tea to calm inflammation and improve circulation, ginseng green tea to boost muscle strength and stamina, and ashwagandha root tea to bring back balance, ease stress, and support overnight recovery. These aren't just warm, comforting drinks. They're simple, everyday tools that will help you walk steadier, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence and less pain. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup a day, combined with gentle movement and positive thinking, can produce real improvements over time. If this video helped you, or if you're planning to try one of these teas, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And if you found it valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, research-backed health tips made just for you. You truly deserve to feel strong again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. These are not just warm, comforting drinks. They're simple, everyday tools that will help you walk stronger, feel stronger, and move through life with more confidence and less pain. Remember, the secret is consistency. Just 1 cup a day, combined with gentle movement and positive thinking, can produce real improvements over time. If this video helped you, or if you're planning to try one of these teas, we'd love to hear your experience in the comments. And if you found it valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more research-backed health tips made just for you. You truly deserve to feel strong again.